มิสยูนิเวิร์สเหมือนฉันคุณเป็นใคร
I am Captain Joel from Coaching English Online.
ฮะ อะไรคือ Coaching English Online
I'm a teacher from Coaching English Online, and I'm here to help you with your problem. You don't need to worry about your daughter's future anymore. We offer a variety of lessons that your daughter will surely love.
ยังไงอะบอกฉันที
At Coaching English Online, we offer debate and English presentation, English conversation, learn English through songs, cooking activity, magic shows, interview preparation, and business English. We have professional and qualified native English speakers. We offer a variety of courses online, starting with our beginners course and moving all the way up to our advanced course. The learners will definitely have fun while learning online with us. We also offer free 30-minute classes in your first day of learning.
อุ้ย Coaching English Online มันดีอะ
My pleasure. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go. I have class